Hello, Bob. Hi, Bob. Hi, Bob. I can't hear you, Bob. Can you unmute your, can you try to speak up, Bob? Hello, Bob. Can you try to speak up?
Trong vô đó.
Oh, yeah, I can hear you now.
Hello teacher.
Hi, Bob. Can you open your camera for me?
Okay. Okay, now can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Okay, it's all good now. Thank you so much, Bom. Can you tell me what did you do before our class, Bom? Did you sleep?
I watch.
You watch robots?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Why didn't you sleep?
I sleep.
Oh, you sleep. Okay, well, that is good to know. So, what will you do after our class, Bom?
I watch.
Oh, you will continue watching. Okay, so now let me share my screen, and for today we'll start by, wait, let us answer your homework first.
Okay, wait, wait.
Okay, just take your time.
Okay. Finish.
Not yet done, but for a moment, let me stop sharing my screen and let me share it again. Okay, so can you tell me your answer for the first one?
Mm, we are watching a good um A.
Okay, yes, that is right. We are watching a good documentary in BBC World. Now, what about for two?
I always pay
I always pay.
by pay with credit
Okay, yeah,
cards.
pay with credit card. What about for three?
Mm, do you know a girl with four hair?
Okay, yes. Do you know a girl with fair hair? What about for four?
Mm, does she got a dress in white?
Okay, is it does?
Nope. Pass.
Okay, yes. Have she got a dress in white? Okay, has she got a dress in white? Okay, yes, it is D, Mom. What about for four?
Um, she is
Three.
reading a letter. Letter in bed now.
Okay, yes, that is right. Thank you. Now, what about for 6?
What do you do?
Okay, yes, what do you lecture. Okay, what about for 7?
What does she? What does she do now?
What does she do now? Is it A?
No, I said B.
Okay, now the correct answer here, Bomb, is
B.
B.
I said B.
The correct answer is C. What is she doing? See, the question is now, Bomb. Now, present continuous. So we have to use is and then the gerund, okay? What is she doing now? Okay, now what about for 8?
Mm, where are we going?
Okay, yes, where are we going to the class? What about for 9?
Oh no, it is snowing. We can't go out. It always snows here in March.
Okay, yes, thank you so much. Oh no, it is snowing. We can't go out. It always snows here in March. It's a very good. What about for 10?
I'm jumping because it's my happiest day today.
Very good. 11.
But Ania are eating only salad because
Vegetarians.
vegetarians don't eat meat.
Okay, yes, that is correct. Thank you. What about for 12?
Sorry, I don't understand you. I don't speak Rush.
I don't speak Russian. Okay, yes, it is. C. What about for 13?
Why do we go?
Is it why do we go?
Why do we go to the park? Why aren't we go? A.
Is it A? Why do we go to the park?
Why don't we go to the park?
Is that your final answer, Bomb? Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Okay, so the correct answer here is B. Why don't we go to the park? A good idea. So in here, we are making
Then
a
why I said B
suggestion.
but you say wrong?
No, you answered A. Why do we go? You said that, Bomb. The
And then I
last
said
time,
B.
yes, that's why it is correct now. That's why I ask if you are sure of your answer now. Okay, so it is B. We are making a suggestion. Now, what about for 14?
What do you want to know?
Okay, what do you want to know? And for 15,
Does she solve a problem now? No, she doesn't know how to solve.
does she, okay, does she solve a problem now? No. She Mm-hmm. Is it, does she solve a problem now? Okay, so we're talking
Yes.
about now. Now, Bomb. Present continuous. Present continuous. So it has to be, is
Is.
she, is she solving a problem now? No, she doesn't know how to solve. Okay, the best answer here would be C. Okay, so this is present continuous. Again, it's happening right now. So we will use is or and then ing. Okay, so now let us proceed to your book. So we are already in the word scary. What is scary?
Hmm?
What is scary? Scary.
Like we're watching a movie and there's a lot of monsters and we are very scared.
Okay, yes, that is right. Now, aside from watching scary movies, Bomb, are you scared of someone? Who are you scared of?
Mommy.
Okay, you're scared of mommy. Okay. Now,
No,
next one. What?
I don't scare anyone.
Oh, you're not scared of anyone. Okay. You are very strong, Bob. Now,
But
next one,
I scare
Bob.
ghosts.
Oh, you're scared of ghosts. But are ghosts real? Have you seen one ghost, Bob?
Nope. But listen,
Okay. Yes, you can see one because there's
in
none,
Japan
Bob.
there's a lot of ghosts.
Oh, in Japan there is. Okay.
And there
So,
are lots of
yeah.
ghosts there.
Oh, but you haven't seen one? Because
I
they
see.
only. Really?
I see in the TV and it is really like in the farm.
Oh, but what about you? Have you seen one in Vietnam?
Yes,
Oh, really?
I see. I see. Um, mm, a chicken. No, a snake. A monster snake. The
Oh, a
cobra
monster.
is this one. Okay, it's smaller than
Mm-hmm.
here. This is the cobra. It comes to eat this chicken. The chicken is very big, but it one bite and then eat it, and then it swallow too, and then it like normal, like just normal, like this, like this. This is the snake. This is his teeth. Wait, I will this teeth. Yeah, this is the mouth. He eat this big chicken,
Mm-hmm.
but but he's okay. Like this, and then when he eat the chicken like this, the big one, we know the chicken like this, and then he and then his belly what boom like a bomb, and then the snake, the belly of the snake and the chicken uh uh uh
The
ass
chicken is
away.
inside.
That's why yes,
Okay.
uh like uh like the head of the snake or chicken will fall on your head or toe or knees.
Okay. So the chicken was swallowed by the cobra. Well, cobras, they are dangerous ones. Bomb, very dangerous. Okay, one bite can cause a death. Okay, now let us continue to this one. Thank you so much for sharing that.
No,
Okay, what?
No,
What?
not that. It isn't that.
Oh, it's not that. Okay, well, that's
The
good. It
it
survived.
has the the vaccine. What a minute. I just another word. It is A-N-T.
A-N-T?
Yes.
What is that?
But when the snake bite you,
Mm-hmm.
um, there's a lot of the. I don't remember what. I don't know.
Okay.
Vaccines.
Oh, we have vaccines. That's why the chicken was alive.
Yes.
Okay, I see. Now, Bomb, let us have the next one. Okay, so in here we have dull. What is dull?
Does
Dull.
do.
Yeah, dull. Dull.
I don't know.
Okay, now when we say dull, Bomb, it is just the same as boring. Okay, which means something is not interesting or exciting. It's not catching your attention, but instead you just want to fall asleep. Okay, that is dull, not interesting. What about page turner? Page turner.
Page turner. It means like the page,
Mm-hmm. What about
and
the
then we
page?
get yes. Page
And
page
we're
what?
going to flip it. We're going to flip
No,
it.
no, no. This. This is the paper, and then we put
Mhm.
this we put the paper in it, and when we put it, and then we will put the paper up to see it.
Okay, thank you so much. However, Bob, when we say page turner, it means a book is a very exciting that you want to keep on reading it. Okay, page turner, a very exciting and interesting book that you want to continue or keep reading what's inside it. Page turner. Wait, let me translate that for you.
Okay.
Cuốn sách hấp dẫn.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, next one, what about gripping? Gripping.
Huh?
Gripping.
Ribbon.
Yeah.
Ribbon.
Gripping.
Ribbon. Like we get a grip on something.
We get our grip on something, okay? So it means that something is very exciting, that it is holding your attention. So that is gripping. So again, when we say page turner, it is interesting that you want to keep on reading it. Okay, however, when we say gripping, it means that it is very exciting to the point that it is holding or keeping your attention. Okay, that is gripping. Now, next one, what about terrible? Terrible.
Huh? Can I say again?
Terrible. Terrible.
Terrible. Terrible means like the food is very terrible.
Okay, which means the food is good or bad?
Very bad.
Okay, yes, it's a very bad. Now let us practice and tell me if the word is positive, negative, or both positive and negative. Now, when we say creative, Bomb, is it positive, negative, or both?
Huh?
When we say creative, is it positive and negative, or both positive and negative?
Negative.
Okay, why is it negative? Can you tell me?
Because when you say that, no, it is both.
Okay, why is it both? Can you
Because-
tell me when can being
Because
creative negative? When is it negative?
because negative is like negative both, because I think negative and positive is the same. That's why.
No, positive and negative, they are not the same, Bomb. When we say creative, again, it means you'd be able to make new things and original things, right? So, it is never negative. Nothing is negative about it. Again, when we say positive, it is different to negative. It can't be both. Creativity is always positive. Okay, now what about unusual?
Unusual, it means it is negative.
Okay, can you tell me why is it negative?
Because unusual, it means like we are very unusual because is it good or bad?
Okay. However, Bomb, and not all unusual things are actually negative. Not because it is different to what we normally see. Not because it is not common or not ordinary doesn't mean it is negative. So it could be both negative and positive. Okay. Unusual. Okay. Now what about romantic?
Romantic, it is negative.
Mm-hmm. Why is it negative? When we say romantic, it is all about
It means
love.
like a feel, like
Yes,
someone loves someone.
yes. And why is that negative?
Because romantic, like we love someone, and it is negative because when we love someone, like we will we like someone. That's why it is negative.
No, it's not negative to like someone, Bomb. That is positive. That is related to love. And when you say love, Bomb, it's never negative. It's good to love each other, Bomb, to love and to show the world um that you can love each other and you can change the world because of that.
Okay.
Loving someone, Bomb, that is not negative. It's always positive. Just like your mom loving your dad, you loving B. It's positive, right? Nothing is bad about it.
Yes.
Okay? Yes, that's why it is positive. Now, what about scary?
Scary, it is positive.
Okay, why is it positive? Now you feel scared, then you would say it is positive. Why?
Because positive is like
It's like
this is like can you say again?
scary, Bomb, scary. We
Scary
fear.
is it is negative. We fear.
Okay, yes.
That's why
Yes.
we love someone.
Okay, yes. What about dull? Dull.
Huh?
Dull.
It is negative.
Okay, yes, it's negative too. Page turner.
Hmm?
Page turner.
Page turner. It is negative.
Okay,
Positive.
why is it Okay, yes, it is positive. What about gripping?
Dribbling. It is negative.
Okay, it is positive as well, Bam, because it is
Because it's
holding your attention. It is keeping your attention because a book, Bam, or a certain music is really good. Okay. Now, what about terrible?
terrible. It
Terrible.
means positive.
Why is it positive?
No.
Terrible.
Negative.
Okay, yes, it is negative because it means it's very bad. Now, I believe that would be all it for our class today, Bomb. So I'll see you again tomorrow, okay? Enjoy watching your film there, Bomb. Stay safe. Goodbye, Bomb.